Back to the F150 I have. 2013 XL Ecoboost 3.5 as with the twin turbos Sun. Alright, so the problem today, crank no start. Key in, crank no start. That's it, that's all it's giving me. The first thing I'm gonna do is see if there's a code, because there was no code. It was drove twice yesterday by me and then by my spouse, and then started up to leave last night to be drove the third time. About to take off in it again last night. All crank, no start. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to draw a code. Just because it didn't throw a code or the engine light came on prior the last two times, we're going to go ahead. And link it up here. So we do have a code. So fuel rail pressure too low. Engine cranking bank 1. A lot of people are saying that it could be fuse number 27. Okay, that's a common thing on these F-150. Let's go check this out. Bought some fuses, because these are weird fuses for these Fords. I think they're the most junks of fuses. Yeah, so these are the weirdest fuses you can come up with. Brand new fuse out of the box. We're going to stick it in. Boom. So, but hold on, let's go back. So there is no burn, nothing going on in there. I'm not seeing nothing. It looks pretty good. So throw the fuse in. I did find a bad fuse. Yeah, it was that one. So yeah, it's a 15. This is a 20. That's okay. So people are saying number 27, this fuse right here, always goes bad. Okay. Checked out other fuses. Seems legit. Let's see what happens with a brand new fuse. Because people were saying, in fact, that even the fuse looked good, they replaced it and still it worked. So here we go again, second try. Oh, it started, but the engine light's still on. Huh. Oh, I'm not doing nothing with the gas. The RPM is jumping. I'm gonna try to give it some gas. Huh. It actually started. Huh. Okay. Well, how odd. Because I tried doing it last night and it didn't work. So, that's alright. We're gonna try to start this again, see what happens. It could have been one of those things that eventually it'll start. Car's done that. Oh, it had a little struggle starting. Not the cranking. It was like blah, blah, blah. You couldn't hear it through the camera. But it did have a little mishap. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this forward. I'm gonna tell you why. Because I have plenty of room up there. Oh, it is struggling. Struggling like it's misfiring. It has a quarter tank of gas, so we're okay there. Yeah, that RPM is jumping. Look at that. Alright, well, I was assuming it was going to be this part. Now this part is the fuel pump pressure module sensor, basically. So I was going to replace this anyways, because I've been having symptoms of poor gas mileage and rough idling, and when I'm on the freeway, I'm doing about 70, whatever, you could just feel like this slight vibration, like it's not getting enough power. I've changed the high pressure pump, and that was because it actually went bad. But try to fix the hesitation, the gas mileage and all that. I've changed 3 sensors: the high pressure sensor on top of the motor, the map sensor, and the oxygen sensor. And it seemed like it helped a little bit, but it just really wasn't there yet. So I was going to replace this anyways, only because of that reason and this issue. So I wasn't planning on doing it anyways, not today, but I was going to do it because I was looking up what other causes could be related to this issue. All crank, no start, which it is starting. It is now on the number 27 fuse. How odd. So now I got to take off and drop the spare tire, and this will be on the frame. 2 bolts, plug in, play, go, you're done. And then we'll see how it acts after that. That's crazy how it started. Number 27, huh? All right, so you're gonna need these tools here, which is located back underneath your seat, with the craziest jack, littlest jack for this big truck, which makes me laugh. But anyways, well, it's a little scissor jack. I mean, look how high these Fords are up. So I'm not too sure. So after getting the spare tire down, this is the sensor we're talking about right here. Plugs up front. And let me try to get it a little angle here. So this is what it is. It's just up on this bracket underneath the truck. So it's on the driver's side, right up top. And let's get to that. All right, so it is 10mm bolts. Not boats, bolts. All right, so putting the screwdriver in there and just pulling it, done. Here's the old one. Inside looks fine. Oh, what was that? Oh man, there's a lot of buildup in there. I do have electrical cleaner and I probably should use it, but I don't feel like getting back underneath this truck. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. We're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna bolt this back up before, because I may go ahead and spray it out with electrical cleaner. Everything, all the tools are still out here, but let's go ahead and try this. I'll pick this up later. So let's see if this is the issue. Here we go. Key going in. Here we go. That sounds about right. Let's go see what it sounds like, anything under the hood. Sounds like a regular fucking diesel, normal Ford. Yeah, it's not shaking or anything. I mean, that might have been it, might have fixed it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up everything. Test drive it, see what it does. And all right, all the tools are ready to go, put up, truck's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and clear the scan. Yes, we want to clear it. Reset, and it's flashing on and off. Means it's gonna be gone. And we're gonna start it, and we're gonna do a little test drive and see how it works. So let's go ahead and start up the camera outside so you can hear it. So let's see what it sounds like. See what happens. See how. I hate for it to break down somewhere, I'm gonna be honest with you. But that's a risk you get, you know. I got it started. New fuse, new module, and see what happens. All right, I drove around the block. The gas mileage is doing better because I reset it. I just went around the block and it's already doing better. So I'm gonna see how well this. I mean, the RPM's not moving. It is in drive. I'm just sitting here on the street. It's like black asphalt looking concrete. I'm gonna go ahead and get this turn this off. You hold it for 8 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Now, advanced track is off. That means we could spool up and peel out. So let's just see how this fuel pump's acting and see if we can't get it, right? Okay, here we go. Should I point it out the mirror? Because it's a right turner, or meh, yeah, whatever. Let's just put it outside the window. Here we go. There we go. A little bit of smoke back there. Hell yeah. Bitch is working just fine. It's definitely not the fuel pump, I'll tell you that. It's acting fine to me. Good power. It's running smooth. Was it the fuse? I don't know. But I wanted to put the module in anyways. It was 50 bucks, and just to see, you know, if it's going to help my, because it would hesitate, it would do some other symptoms. Just look up the symptoms of the fuel pressure modulator sensor. Basically, it's a sensor. Oh God, way more power. Hell yeah. It's the Fat Cat and I'm out.